I'm gonna make the most toxic soup. The most toxic soup? Gross. I'm gonna have some really toxic stuff. First, I'll add the virus liquid. Well, technically no, but not too liquid. Nice. I'm also gonna add the joint diluent liquid. And the virus liquid. I'm also going to add the conical liquid from the conical flask. No need for this. Here's your toxic soup. Thank you. We did it! Let's get out of here. Did somebody poison this guy? It's us. This is the Shock-A-Rock-A-Melon, and then we hate Shock-A-Rock-A-Melons. Yeah. And this is the MPPD, and we also hate these guys. So thank you. Oh wait, we did it. I hope other Shock-A-Rock-A-Melons won't come here. Hey, who poisoned my friend? It isn't me. I was just making a toxic soup for a random person. You mean mine? No, I don't. Oh no, we're trapped. Not because we made an illegal technique. Yeah, we've done one of the most stupid things we have ever done. I have to get out. Come on. Come on. Nice. Why can't I get out? Jesus Christ. Ugh. Oh. Melon. I guess I have to land safely.